Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get this split face filter on TikTok. It's really easy and simple to get. If you're unaware what that filter looks like, it just looks like this, just with the two different images at the bottom and the top. If you're interested in getting this filter, just stay tuned. It's really easy to get. All you have to do is head over to your TikTok application and open that up. Once you come up to the top, you just want to search for split face filter with no space. Then all you want to do here is just find someone using the filter, click on their page, and then above their username, you will see a little yellow link. You want to click on that. And then all you have to do at this point is just click on add to favorites. And then whenever you go make a new video, it'll be under your favorite filters. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with getting this filter. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.